At Floor Pro, our passion is keeping your home looking beautiful. Our flooring, area rug, and upholstery experts know cleaning and restoration inside and out. We know all the effort that goes into designing that perfect living space. The style and color of your area rugs and upholstery reflect who you are. But with time and heavy use, your room can lose its color and inviting feeling. That's where we come in. Concierge level service. Our experts are IICRC certified to guarantee your home is clean to the highest standard. Your floor, rugs, and furniture are safely cleaned using professional-grade equipment and solutions to help promote a sanitizing deep clean you'll be proud to show off. Schedule your appointment today. We will send you appointment notifications and even photos of our technicians before they arrive, so you know whom to expect and when they'll arrive at your home. It's as simple as calling to schedule your appointment, then greet us at the door, and we'll take care of the rest. You deserve the best air quality and living space possible. And there's no better way to quickly clean your home than to have your floors, rugs, and furniture deep cleaned. Our hot water extraction process is second to none. It's time to breathe easier and get back to loving the space you live in.